Project management is taking a business need or an organisational requirement and basically creating and developing a project team to actually define, plan and implement that initiative. What I mentioned about a project team. I mean, instrumental to project management is people management, and that's one of the most critical aspects, because it's very seldom that the project manager will define, plan and implement a project on their own, and it's very much down to the right team, so actually picking the right people who can ask the right questions and actually developing a coherent plan which you can then implement through that team to actually deliver the objectives of the project. Well, really the key thing in terms of effective project management, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a business case for your project. Sometimes a project might seem a great idea, but when you actually delve into it a little bit more deeply, you find, well, actually there's no underlying business need that's actually served by that project. So really, an effective project management process or structure ensures that you actually ask the right questions at the beginning of the project. So really, you have a why. So why are you doing this? And very interlinked with that is, what are you doing? So you have a business need, and what are you doing to address that need? By having an effective project management structure, you then can address how you're going to achieve those project objectives, who's going to achieve it, when you're going to achieve it, and also how will you know you've achieved what you've set out to achieve. And then that's a common aspect which a lot of people forget. And the fact, well, actually I'm so busy thinking, well, actually what, how and when I'm going to achieve it, they're not actually aware of what the actual success looks like when they've actually completed it. So it's very important to actually define what that success actually looks like. And when I mean that, it's actually defining some success criteria, so you can really measure how successful you have been. So basically, in terms of what you've actually delivered, how does that actually fit with what you intended to deliver?